Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn email capture with Leadpages. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Leadpages and log into your account. Navigate to the page where you've set up your LinkedIn email capture form. Click on the Edit button to access the form settings. Locate the email field in your form. Click on the email field to open its properties. Under the Actions tab, find the option for integrations. Select your preferred email service provider from the drop-down menu. If prompted, connect your email service account by following the on-screen instructions. Once connected, ensure that the email field is correctly mapped to your email service provider. Save your changes and exit the editor. Next, go to the page settings by clicking on the gears icon. Locate the backup option within the page settings. Choose to export your lead capture data in a suitable format, such as CSV or XLSX. Confirm the export and download the file to your computer. Now, head over to your email service provider's dashboard. Find the import option and select the file you downloaded from Leadpages. Follow the prompts to complete the import process. Check to ensure your contact list has been updated with the new email addresses. Finally, test the integration by submitting a new email through your LinkedIn form. Verify that the new email appears in your email service provider's list. Congratulations, you've successfully backed up your LinkedIn email capture with Leadpages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.